Congratulations, Angel. Ladies and gentlemen, baby girl number 2. Okay, pakita na yung shoulder na. Talikod. And a 1, 2, 3, here we go! Okay, pambihira. Okay, pambihira ang mga promoter. Grabe naman, you're naming your status. Good evening, everyone. I'm Vienna Rose Pipito, and I'm in a relationship. Sana all. Manambok din yung mga in a relationship, no? Ladies and gentlemen, baby girl number 3. At siya, hi, baby girl. Alikod, baby girl. Alikod. Mag-una-unag yun. 1, 2, 3, harap. Nasayang mata, uy. Tumboy madainis Ate Josephine. Charis lang. Sige, Ate Jo, come on.
Hi, I'm Josephine Bobo, and my relationship status is single.
Talaga?
Yeah,
No boyfriend?
secret. No boyfriend.
Uy, bibigyan kita. Mata ko mayaman siya. May bahay siya, may lupa na siya, may negosyo. Bibigyan, ha? Attorney ba? May attorney siya? Sige, bawal na pala. Thank you, Ate Jo. Sige, exit Ate Jo. Ladies and gentlemen, baby girl number 3, a 4. Come on.
Para kay Brian! Para kay Brian!
Ano, Brian? Ano, Brian? Mahina, ano yung kuya po? Hindi po
Nilikoan ni Oisa!
I'm Mariela Samogo, and I'm in a relationship.
Maria is in a relationship. Ladies and gentlemen, baby girl number 5. Talikod. No? And a 1, 2, 3. Lakas ng tama mo, pre. Pre. Sige, pre.
I'm Rajuan Ian Bobo. I'm in a relationship.
Yay!
Ladies and gentlemen, baby girl number 6. Come here. Halik lang. Ay, sa mo ginawag ako na siya. In a 1, 2, 3, ako ka. Uy, feel ako ba't ako kanighali niyang buhok? Sige po. I'm Jeremiah, 21 years old, single. We don't like the name, Jeremiah. Jeremiah is single! Thank you so much. Palakpakan po natin, baby girls! Now, baby girls, okay. What we are going to do is to have a quick game po, okay? Kaya naman, I would like to ask our small flower po. Our dearest Brian. Brian, barong-barong ba yun? Hi ka, Brian. Congratulations, Brian, being our lucky guy dito ka. Sit down ka, Brian. Di tarong lingkod. Tapi di man kaabot. Uy, char lang. Brian, idikit ko yung anak to. Anak lang ayaw pag-ihop, Brian. Okay? You're gonna close your hands here at the back. Huwag kang gagalaw, hindi ko sinasabi. Girls, lapit. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to select one lucky girl, let's play a game, and this game is called the flower game. Naku, mabilis to. Napakagandang game na to. So, I have a flower here in my hand. Listen very carefully. I have a flower in my hand, and this flower will be placed to the small flower of Brian. Wow, what a tampong flower. Magkakagalaw, hindi ko sinabing gumalaw ka. Ikaw ba, magbubuhat ka, Brian. Isirado ang imong kamot. At kabataga kay si Maria gyapon na yung pangalan. Yung kang gagalaw, di ko sinasabi na mukol na ba? Ilagay natin ang flower. Uy, easy yan, Likurana. I don't like this one. Okay, hindi Halika, change natin yung chair mo. Sige, upo ka. Nag-isod si Brian. Sige, upo ka, Brian. Upo ka. Ayun! Dikit mo tingin. I'm gonna place the flower here sa babaw. Wow! Why so na flower? Okay. Sibutan na ng flower din, ha? Okay. Ano mo ba ng flower na yan? Ayun, wait, katawan mo. Sige. The flower has been set, ladies. This is tuyo. Okay? You're dancing ha. Pag hindi sumayaw, pipiliin. Bakit? Pa-exit ko si Maria. Okay? So you're gonna dance while the music is playing. And when the music stops, all you need to do is to grab the flower and you'll be automatically eliminated in the game. Ang saya, saya! Ang cute na rin Brian ay. Okay. Lagay natin ulit ang flower dito.
Ay, yes, gano'n.
Mabalik man ang flower, ay. Ayaw lagi maglihok pa. Lihukan kay ka. Baglungo ni bataan. Okay, the flower has been sent. May question ba, ladies? Sa hindi ha? Kinsay makakuha nung paalay ha? Lingkod na dayon. Exit. Galikod ka, Chu. Ganaan po ni mo dayon. Pinili na ka. Okay, if you're ready, ladies, let's say, ladies, hop, hop! Let's do it. The flower game. DJ, first round. Come on. Play the music. Let's dance, ladies. Come on, hands up, ladies. Oy, hands up, oy, hands up. Hawak ko ang beat, hawak isipin tawan. Hanggang sa uli, Ate Jo. Ate Jo, malupit na Ate Jo. Si Ate Jo, nagkailan siya, hanas na siya. Also, of course. Ate Jo, ikaw ang pinakamabilis. Thank you so much, Ate Jo. You will now take your seat. Nagpailag yun sa Ate Jo, nakuha nga siya mga 10 years anime. Ate Jo, Ate Jo Robinson. Ate Jo, we love you so much. Thank you so much. Nga naman ka, Brian? Tarogin ko. Dikit mo yung pick. Okay, dalang tuhod. Ilagay natin ulit yung flower. Dito ilagay natin, okay. Dili kayo mo takoy, ako may host. Wala man na isun, Brian, oy. Sige po. Ladies, let's dance, DJ! Tama mo na ko, Come on, ladies, hands up! Angel, alam ko, subok mo na to. Si Angel ay pinakamabilis, subok niya na to. Asa si Angel? Asa si Angel? Sama Angel na. Binahay. Ano ni Angel ba siya? Kulit ka ba? Gilipuran ni Angel? Kaya na, nakawakan mo atong discarding nato, babe. So let's do it again. The third round. Lagay natin ulit. Asa mo ikaw na ilong mo? Sige po. Sige, masagdan na lang nato. May nalang untol na gamay. Asa ko ani yung giday. Ladies, let's dance! Shake it! Ano, unsa man ikaw mo, boy? Uy, gagawin ni Diyos Maria. Oy! Ay, kita mo sa guhit niya sa flower day. Alam siya yan. Ay, naniwala yung Congratulations, baby girl. You will now take your seat. Hangusan ni mo, no? Ihangos sa itong baby girl. Thank you very much. We have three lovely ladies left. Okay, ulit natin. Okay. Oh my God. Stop the music. Uy, guys. Good news. May laman talaga. Kanina, maliit pa yung flower. Ngayon, umusbong na ang flower.